How to play games on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in this video, we're gonna find out whether can we play the games on Snapchat or not. So first thing what I'm gonna do is just open the Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once I'm inside the app, I'm gonna head over to the chat tabs. Now I'm gonna choose a friend whom I want to play a game. Now I'm gonna tap on the emoji icon. As you can see, I couldn't found the game option in the menu. Now what I'm gonna do is simply go back to the main screen and tap on profile icon at the top left. Once I am in the profile section, I'm gonna simply tap on settings in the top right corner. After that, I'm gonna simply scroll down and tap on help center. Now on the help center, I'm gonna simply search for the games in the search bar. After that, I'm gonna tap on games on Snapchat. So as here you can see, games are not currently available in the Snapchat. So that means you can't play the games on Snapchat. And with that, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.